Hello everybody! Today we make gluten-free sweet and sour chicken. I leave Mr. Chang. He annoy me too much. I take baby, I run away, but I come back. I know his videos crap without me. I'm going to show you how to cut the bell pepper. First, you start by cutting off the bottom and cut off the top by 1 centimeter. Then cut the side like this. Now you can lay it flat. Then cut off all the white bits, very bitter. Cut out the center with the seeds. Now I like to cut in half. Make it easier to slice. Give it wee bang. To cut safe, you want to slightly tuck your finger in and use knuckle to guide knife across so you don't chop a finger off. Nobody want their hands cut or blood in their food, so need be very careful. Once the red pepper is chopped, you will want to do the same then. Just put that in the pot and then start with your green pepper. Again, we start the process. Chop off both ends. Slice, slice, slice. See, very easy. Some people don't know how to cook pepper or cut pepper. Make sure you scrape off all them ugly little seeds. No nice. Very bitter. Nobody here like bitter. You want to make sure you use sharp knife too. Use blunt knife, ruin pepper. Maybe I should start shop, sell all these stuff everybody then can get. Maybe I will sell knives and MSG. Everything people say they can find in the town. I don't really like green pepper. Sometimes I just sit and pick them out. Don't know why. Just think red pepper nicer. But I put them in anyway. Looks better. Food looks better with more color. Different color pepper have different vitamins. Did you know? Now on to the chicken. So you dice up 300-gram chicken fillet. Add in your salt. Then your egg. 1 egg will do. Switch it all about. Next, you add in your 1 cup of gluten-free flour. We buy the gluten-free flour, Sainsbury's, not dear. Very bottom shelf, along with all the other flours. Now, you want to coat all your chicken, like this. I think we show you already. I very tired today. Mr. Chang, he talk all night his sleep. All he say, 1 word, Tesco, Tesco, Tesco. I don't know why he talk Tesco. Maybe he just old now, lose his mind. I hope that is what it is, and he no like some Majala that work in Tesco. Maybe I better keep eye. Maybe I go Tesco instead of him. Now you're cooking the pepper. Flip them up. You need very strong wrists to flip the pepper. Mr. Chang, he have very strong wrists, cause he always flicking the woks in the rice bowl. That's why. So anyway, you want make sure you heat wok. Then add tablespoon oil. You don't have to make pepper fly in the air. Sometimes he just get pepper all over my floor. Annoys me. Have to clean tiles again. Never, ever, ever recommend getting the high glossy white or cream tile. Very, very annoying. Have to clean 3-4 times a day. Still look like never cleaned before. I hate. Wee. Wee. Reminds me, Mr. Chang temper goes wee. And back down again. Mr. Chang, he was very, very sick all week. That's why no video until today. Was like I had 2 baby and he'd bigger baby. Only good thing do these videos, give something to do. That weather, so bad. Worst July ever. No need for how long he video these peppers cooking. I feel like I watching pepper be cooked for a long, long, long time. Now we do sauce. You want 1 cup cold water, 4 tablespoons white vinegar, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 4 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Most people here, they say red sauce. Most red sauce or tomato ketchup is naturally gluten-free, but make sure you read the bottle. Once all in, you mix together like this. Now for the last bit. Half fill wok with your oil. Heat until very, very hot. Add the chicken and fry for 4 minutes. You can use chip fryer if you know find wok. Always use new oil so no cross-contamination. Some people gluten can make very sick. Now just keep cooking chicken for 4 minutes. Then you will want to take out the chicken. Gluten-free flour no go as golden as normal flour. But it's okay, still tastes very, very good. Now take chicken out and set to the side. Heat the wok again with your sauce and bring to boil. Add in the drained chicken and here you go. Lovely jubbly. Don't forget to eat it. No one waste it. Very nice. I just put on pajamas. I going to light fire, eat my Chinese and watch film. Cozy.